Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites. TV is on, router and modem are powered, and you have the exact SSID and password. Now go to the TV's network settings and begin a Wi-Fi scan. This forces the device to refresh available networks. Once you see your SSID, select it and enter the password carefully, because one wrong character prevents association. Make sure to choose the correct frequency if prompted. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. If connection fails, you must troubleshoot deeper. You should toggle the TV's Wi-Fi adapter or fully restart the TV to clear temporary faults. This resets the network stack. Then reboot the router by cutting power for 30 seconds to clear NAT and DNS caches. If disconnects persist, assign a static IP on the TV or reserve the TV's MAC on the router via DHCP. This prevents IP conflicts and stabilizes the lease, which is often why intermittent drops occur. Finish by verifying the connection. Run the TV's network diagnostic and open a streaming app to confirm throughput. If speeds are low, update both TV and router firmware to address known bugs. Once done, recheck connection. If problems persist, reset only the TV's network settings to remove bad saved profiles, then repeat the pairing process. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still get no connection, temporarily tether a phone's hotspot to determine whether the issue is router versus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.